Guys, today we'll talk about how can you create a mail on your MyFitnessPal app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on receipts and mails and photos. You just click on it here. You come to this list and you click here on mails here. When you click on mails, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on create a mail, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You add here your mail name. Then here can you so select here in this list if you want to add scan here barcode or quick add here, can you add it, or here search for a photo in this list. So then here if you want to add your photo here in the, so then it's going to add video on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.